Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where we can create a very high quality profile backlink. And the another thing guys, I noticed this website in my search console and the Bing webmaster. So if you can create your backlink on this site, your backlink should be going to index in a Google database. Okay. So the website name is feloma.com and this is a website URL, and I can also provide this website URL in the description section. I provide all websites URL in the description section so where you guys will access easily. And this is a dashboard. So before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 74, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 64, and the spam score is only 1%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having 35.8k monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, USA, Pakistan, Indonesia, Brazil, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. So the first thing, you guys will click on the join now. It is free. You can click on this. There you can add your company name, and there you guys will choose your email address, and there you can choose your password, and you can click on the join button. After this site will send you the confirmation or the verification email. So this site will send you the verification email, and this is the message inbox within the next 5 minutes. So your confirmation message should take a couple of time to receive in your Gmail. So you guys will wait. So let me check. This video is sponsored by Intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So you can see I received a confirmation or activation email. So you can click on the confirm my subscription. Yeah, and you will see our account is verified. So you can hover your username, and you can click on the edit button, and now there we can edit our profile. So there we have already added our company name, and you can update your username, and there you can add your website URL. So there we can add a total 3 URLs, because there we can add our first website URL. And if you have a multiple different websites, so you can add your different website. Either you can add your internal pages, because they have a option to you guys will utilize these things. And another website AI feature, so let me use this. And if you wanting, so you can also add your website URL in the signature. Either you can ignore this text, this kind of looking spamming. If you have your website signature, you can ignore these things. There you can add your company description. So let me use this company description, and you can select your location, and make sure you can uncheck these box. You can see make profile private. We don't want to make private, so that's why you can make it uncheck. After that, you can click on the update button, and the next thing we can update, we can change our avatar. So you can click on the your change avatar, click on the update image, change an image to upload. So this is the profile picture. And I guess this should be the updated. So now after you can click on the your profile, you can hover your username, click on the profile, and there we can do one thing as well. Next, job on the web. Oh, what I made mistake. I fill all the details, but I haven't updated my editing. So let me again fill this all details. Jobma, there we can add our website, one way page, and this is the AI. There we can add our description. Once you guys will complete these things, after that you can click on the update and the might. Let me check my profile. Why the profile is not updating? Let me check once. So there was a problem with your subscription error have been highlighted below. I guess there are something technical issues. So I recently created my account with another website with another ID. So if I can show you guys, so let me, sorry. And if I can show you this profile, so you will see there I have updated my all details. And if I can show you a profile, so you will see this is the username there, this is my description, the email on the web. If you wanting, you can make your description editing from there as well. Let me check if we have any option to we can change these details from there. Let me add my description, let me check. Yeah, so it's updated. So you can make edit if you are getting a problem to updating your profile from there, you can make changes from there now. And you will also add your social media, social channels. So let me copy the Twitter username and you can paste your username, and the same thing you can do with another social accounts. After that, you can click on the save changes and you will see your details are saved. And if I can show you in incognito, so there I haven't added my URL. So let me try again. If I can add these changes, there are, I guess there are something technical issue because these same things I did with my another account, and there all the changes are updated. You will see all the changes. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is a instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is a instant approved backlink and all links are here. And if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So this is a no follow backlink, but the if you can create your backlink on this website, your backlink should be going to index in Google database. So you will see there we have added our brand name, our description, and our URLs. So make sure to you guys will create your backlink on this site. Okay. So overall, this is the process for the backlinking on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, So thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there, you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button. And also, if you're comfortable to join as a member, so you can. So okay, yaar, bye bye and take care.